We are in Pattaya, Thailand right now. I have my beautiful girlfriend who we're gonna take some photos of. But first I wanna tell you a quick and also embarrassing story. When I first got my camera and came to Taiwan and tried to take photos of Hame, I realized, one, I didn't understand my camera settings, and two, I had no understanding of lighting and how to use light to my benefit as a photographer to make the model look better. I can also remember the same salesman who sold me my camera for the first time. He sold me one of these. He might have even given me one of these for free because I bought an expensive camera. And I remember taking this home and just throwing it into storage and thinking, what is that? I'm not ever gonna need that. I have an amazing camera, an amazing lens, but that's not the truth. Here I am 4 or 5 years later and I use one of these things all the time. And I really think that every photographer needs to have one of these. Now let's get into actually using it and taking some amazing photos. So we're gonna start down on this side of the pool and I'm gonna have my friend Kota. Kota is gonna help me hold the reflector. I'm gonna open this thing up. Wow. I like the handles because holding onto this after a while just gets a little uncomfortable, and the handles really help you control the light. So there's a silver side, a black side, and inside there is a white, a gold, and there's also a diffusion layer. Now each one of these has their own effect and they all are very, very useful. Today we're gonna use the silver because it's so strong. You can see right now, Hame and I are backlit. The sun is coming right down on top of us and it's creating these dark shadows on our faces. You can see the highlights on our shoulders and the highlights on our hair. That looks great, but what we want to have is we want to fill in the shadows over here, and that's where I'm gonna have Kota come over and hold this for me and help me out. So Kota, where's my friend? There he is, he's way over there. Kota is gonna be my assistant today. He's gonna hold this. I really think it's worth it to have an assistant. You can do this with a light stand. I've done it with the light stand before. Kota doesn't know how to use the reflector, which is great because now I get to teach him this. Her shoulders look great right here. Yeah. Here's the highlight and here's the shadow. We're gonna attack the shadow. Okay. So let's try just putting the light right here in front of her. Okay. Off to the side and then lifting up like that, and then now we're getting a nice even exposure, and now we get this amazing photo. Yeah. Hame, Kota, go ahead and take this off. Okay. And now let me show you the same photo. Yep. The difference, yeah. Okay, Kota, now put it up. There we go. Now shine it on. Yeah. Good, yeah.
Yeah, it's really easy to do it.
Yeah.
There's no stress.
Hame, you can put the glasses on. Yeah.
Editor Cody here. If you're interested in picking up one of these 5-in-1 reflectors, I will leave a link to the exact same one that I'm using in this video in the description below. I have 2 links. One for my international friends, and the second one is for my friends local here in Taiwan. For those friends here in Taiwan, the camera store offering the discount is called Digital Rabbit. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. You need to use the code Selens200 on your checkout online or in person. If you're going in person, just tell them that Cody sent you. All right, let's get back to the video and watch till the end because there's actually a snake behind us the entire time and nobody knew because I didn't tell them.
Hame, go ahead and sit down right here. Let's go low, let's go down low. Kota, you can just bring this down now right here. Yeah, and you can just stand and then, but you gotta find that power. There it is, there's the power right there. Okay, now let's take this off, and I want you guys to be able to see what this looks like now without.
So different.
Which, it's still not terrible. Hame is a really lucky person because she looks good in hard light. Not everybody looks good in hard light. Instead of using the silver, we can now knock this down to a white.
It's really easy to switch your color. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have this white, and we're gonna be able to get this nice and close to fill her shadow, so you can see off, on. And it's gonna look a little more natural also. I'll make you fix your bangs. Good, here. Okay, Kota, find it. Okay, take it off. And now put it back on.
Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah.
Okay, take it off and put it back on.
Hell yeah. There you go.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Good job.
So just a quick tip today, 5-in-1 reflectors, very, very useful. You even have this gold side. You even have a diffusion layer in there. I'll get into that in another video, but I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to get these amazing photos very quickly with a cheap 5-in-1 reflector. It's so much easier than carrying around a lot of flash equipment. Yeah.
Good.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. No way. There's a snake right here. Boom. Snake in the grass. Oh, he's gone. I don't know if I should tell everyone, but there was a snake over here.